Well, hello YouTube. Welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm happy to see you. And if you have already subscribed to the channel, please check to make sure that you are still subscribed, because some other YouTubers are having people being unsubscribed again, so just double check to make sure that you are actually still subscribed. So let me fix this here. It's falling out on me. Alright, so I had a very busy but exciting and productive day today. So today is the first day that I've been hopeful about my Social Security. So on Thursday, I called a lawyer's office and talked to them. They took my information. The girl that I spoke to kept saying that what she was hearing was not right, that it shouldn't be taking this long to get my benefits back, and that it just wasn't right. So today, Thursday afternoon, nobody called on Friday, so I just kind of gave up and thought I was gonna have to call today. My phone rang. I think it was about 9 o'clock this morning. Come to find out, one of my best friends from church works at that law firm. Not only that, he remembered me visiting him when he was in the hospital and I was working as a chaplain. He remembered me coming a couple times to check on him and to pray with him. So his law firm is now helping me free of charge. I can hardly believe it. One of the attorneys is calling me tomorrow before my phone interview. So they're getting their information together so they can help me if nothing happens with the phone interview. They know how to get in touch with the head person of our local Social Security office. So if I am denied over the phone, or they say it's going to take a long time, they can call the head person and get it pushed through. These are happy tears. This is the first hope I've had since June that my benefits were going to be returned. The law office told me today that they think that they're pretty sure they can prove that where I worked tried everything they could do to let me do my job, and that I wasn't physically able to do it. So they think they can use that as a trial work period, and it didn't work out. I'm just so grateful. You all have no idea. This is genuinely the first hope that I've had in months. Especially after last week when I was told to call back in January. I honestly didn't know what I was going to do. So you just have no idea how grateful I am. This office is a Christian office. They have a chaplain that works with them. He called and prayed with me over the phone for my interview tomorrow. That meant so much. I can't even begin to tell you how much that meant to me. To be working with a truly good Christian law firm who wants to help their customers. I just can't begin to tell you what that means. I truly was in a desperate spot. And God showed me that He cared about me. I was so sick yesterday. I had a really bad IBSD flare-up. I was sweating horrible. I was so cold, the bed was actually shaking. I was freezing to death. And then all of a sudden a cramp hit. Needless to say, there was a mess everywhere. My sister came over and cleaned the mess up on the floor and the carpet and helped me get cleaned up, change my bed. It took a lot of pain medicine to get the cramping to stop. It was horrible. Yesterday I wanted everything to just be done with. I think I was ready at that moment to die. I really was. And now God showed me how much He cares about me. I was beginning to think He didn't. If you're in that spot where you think God doesn't care about you, trust me, He does. And not only that, one of my friends sent me 2 cases of Ensure. She sent strawberry, which I haven't tried before, and the dark chocolate, which I haven't tried before. That helped me so much because I couldn't get it. Trust me, these are happy tears. When you go from thinking that God doesn't care, all you want to do is die to be shown this kind of hope. I was able to do laundry today. There was such a mess of it after yesterday. The last load is in the dryer. My aide helped me while she was here to do some of the clothes. She fixed my bed for me. Helped me with the dishes. And I was able to fix some chicken in the air fryer for my supper. That's the first real food I've eaten since this last Thursday. Late Friday night, probably around 10 o'clock, I fixed some scrambled eggs, but by the time I got that done and got back in bed, I was too tired to even eat the eggs, so I didn't eat hardly anything Friday. I ate half of a grilled cheese Sunday, late Sunday night, or was it Saturday night? I can't even remember. I could only eat half of the grilled cheese. So today for lunch I ate the can of tomato soup that my sister brought me. It's the only can she had left, so she brought it over to me. I had that for my lunch. That tasted so good, you have no idea how good that tasted. And so then tonight I did these air fryer chicken bites. And dipped them in some Caesar dressing. It was really good. You all have no idea how much I love all of you. Happy Thanksgiving to my Canadian subscribers. Today is their Thanksgiving Day. So I hope you were able to enjoy celebrating with your loved ones. Don't take that for granted. My heart's breaking over the Middle East. I'll talk more about that on tomorrow night's live stream. I just wanted to share my good news with all of you. Oh, by the way, I didn't get a haircut. I just pulled my hair back. Everyone was saying how cute my haircut was. Right now I can't afford a haircut. So all I can do is pull my hair back. And I'm hopeful right now if I can get my funds through. I have a friend that comes out to people's homes and cuts hair. She already said she'll come out and cut my hair for me. I haven't had a haircut since January. I'm just so happy and grateful right now. You have no idea what a dark place I was in. No, because of my friend's son helping me, I have hope. So please pray tomorrow. Pray that everything goes well. And then I get my benefits straightened out and given back to me this week. Can't tell you what that will mean for me and for my sister. I'll be able to pay her back for some of the stuff she's done for me. Please say a prayer tomorrow. I love each and every one of you so much. You guys are honestly what's keeping me going right now. So thank you. Thank you for caring for me and praying for me. So please, I'm gonna end this now by saying, be safe, be happy, and be blessed. That's what I wish for each and every one of you. I will let you know on tomorrow night's live stream how the interview goes, so make sure to tune in tomorrow night at 7 p.m. Eastern. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.